Hi, Chuck Hawley with Blue Sea Systems. I want to show you a couple of safety fuse blocks that can be used on high amperage circuits on almost any boats. And by almost any boats, I mean including those that have gasoline engines, because these are actually ignition protected. They do this by having a cover on it which is O-ring sealed, so that it completely encloses the fuse, so that if the circuit or the fuse blows, it's not going to create a spark which can cause combustion. So really an interesting design. The design of the fuse block is such that it also protects the wire from accidental grounding. No matter which way the wire comes into the fuse block, there's a little breakaway panel so that you can protect it against an accidental short. There are two different sizes here. One is the MIDI AMI size, and this will allows you to use fuses from 30 to 200 amperes. You can see that not only does it have a place for a little fuse on the inside, but it also has a place for a replacement fuse. And these are very inexpensive fuses, so that you can afford to have spares on board. The second is the Mega AMG fuse, and this is used for fuses from 100 to 300 amperes. Now, what sort of circuits might you want to use this on? Well, really, any large DC circuit. And I think of them in a couple of different applications. One is where you want to run a protected wire all the way up to the bow of the boat. And this could be for possibly a bow thruster or maybe a windlass. And you need to protect that wire from its source in the engine compartment or batteries all the way up to the bow. The second is where you have a panel feed wire that goes from an area near the battery switches and goes up and feeds a panel. In those high amperage applications, either one of these safety fuse blocks would be an ideal choice. Available from Blue Sea Systems.